Welcome back to another video. First things first, Bible verse down below. Comment down below your favorite Bible verse. We'll put it in there for you. Today, we're going to go camping. I don't know if you guys knew by the thumbnail or not, but praise God, we might be going camping, God willing. But we're at the market of Walmart, and we're going to get some groceries. We're going to be cooking up some nice stuff. I'm going to see if you guys can guess it. Comment down below what you think we're eating. I think that's the smallest one. We need a 5-pound bag of potatoes. This is the total. Absolutely chaotic checking out. I forgot how much stuff we had. Felt like a Costco person. But we're gonna be putting all this stuff away, and then at 5 o'clock in the morning tomorrow we're gonna be heading out to the mountains way over there. So let's go. Look at that. Twitch, what are we doing? We're going bye-bye. Ain't this a blessing from God? It really is. All right, we got here safe, praise God. Look at the spot we're at. We got the Datsun, the Ford Raptor R.
That's a good one.
No, I don't even know what that is. But we got some clouds over there. Might rain today, but that's okay. Look, we got a whole campground to ourselves. Look how big the bonfire is.
Look like a lumberjack.
Thank you.
Gotta make sure that he's on there. Okay.
I mean, Patrick could sleep with me.
No. I swear, I'm good. I'm just joking.
Let's see.
We could use a ratchet strap to tie both of those together, and then it'll just be one big bed.
This is me on one side. All right.
We got Seth, Patricio, Josh, Jetty.
All right, it's me, Josh, versus these two guys on some match play here.
Oh, he's aiming right at the tree. Watch out.
Okay.
I wonder if these guys are still together. They're not.
What is Josh doing over here? What's Josh doing? Got you down bad, brother.
Salami,
Salam.
black forest ham,
That's my favorite meat.
pepper jack cheese, and a little barbecue chips.
Crazy how thin they slice it. Seth and Devin went to go get snacks like 30 minutes away, a couple miles that way, in a town called Mountain Air. So me and Josh are gonna stay at the campground and see what we can do. Maybe like spread it out and put the tarp.
It stops raining. Let's spring.
Alright. Hey! Hold on. Oh, forget it. We're gonna get stuck over here. What's up?
We're pros. This is
Fucking pros.
That should last us through the night. These guys went to Family Dollar, which is like 30 minutes away. Over there in the rain. They came back with absolutes. All right, it's raining. It might put out the fire, but we got it burning some good coals. We put some bark on it so it'd keep it non-wet. We got Josh drinking a third modelo. A tres modelo. We got a Devin Booker. Devin Booker. We got a set cutting the french fry. You put in the oil and me canola oil. All right, me and Devin are getting wood for the rest of the night. Pretty big rainstorm, pretty rough time, but you know, good time though. Good time with the boys. Come on, Ted.
These are not golden brown. These are raw, but hot.
Yeah, never made fries before, so.
Way to do it.
Yeah, made fries. They're all gone. Home, some sausage, fried sausage, some burgers. Already done burgers. We're gonna be kicking in. Look at the disco. It's a flex to cook on a disco in the mountains. All right, we're gonna eat. I can't literally breathe. I can't use my eyes. There's so much smoke. Rained so much all through the night. It is so cold. We're probably just gonna pack up and go home. It's not worth staying up here. But I gotta pee so bad. I'm probably gonna get back into bed for a little. I'm warm, honestly.
Inspector says otherwise. Motherfuckers are all the way up.
We're gonna pack up and get out of here.
To it.
Ah. First pull, she actually likes the cold. Praise God. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Respect your mother. We'll see you guys on another video. Peace.